Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Brahmin's Cafe. Today I am preparing Pulishery. Pulishery is a typical Kerala dish prepared with seasonal fruits like banana, jackfruit and mango. But today's Pulishery I am preparing with papaya, ripened papaya, which is not commonly found or prepared in Kerala recipe. So let's see how to prepare this papaya Pulishery. I have taken a fully ripened half kg of papaya. Though my papaya is ripened, it is not so sweet. So I am adding a little bit of jaggery. So if you want it, you can avoid that. 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of jeera, and 2 to 3 spoons of coconut. And I'm adding 1 cup of curd. In this curd I have removed the butter so that it looks slightly diluted one. And for tadka, I am putting some mustard seeds and 1 red chili spoons of coconut oil. I have cut the papaya into two halves and removed the seeds. Now let's extract the pulp from the papaya. Since the papaya is fully ripened, I am not cutting it using any knife. Instead, I am just removing the pulp using a spoon. If you have an ice cream scooper, you can even remove the extract the pulp using the ice cream scooper, which will save your time. But if you wish, if you want to cut it using the knife, you can do that as well. So let's before getting to the preparation, I would like to say that I would like to dedicate this segment to my husband's aunt, who basically taught me to prepare this dish. Once I have cut or removed the pulp of the papaya, I have transferred it into a vessel, and we need to properly smash it so that it gets cooked fast. So here I am using a tool which I use to extract butter from the curd. So if you wish to use a potato smasher, you can even use that. So once it's mashed, we have to add the turmeric powder to it, 1 spoon of turmeric powder and required salt. Mix well and add enough water which is required for this papaya to get cooked. And let it boil and let it get cooked for some time. Meanwhile, we will grind the coconut. I have added 2 to 3 spoons of coconut for this half kg of papaya, 1 spoon of jeera seeds and 1 spoon of red chili powder. Now let's grind it to a fine paste before the papaya gets cooked. Now when the papaya is kind of half cooked, let's add the jaggery. It's not mandatory to add the jaggery because it's optional. If you wish to have less sweet in the curry, you can do that. You can avoid it basically. And then you have to add a little bit of curry leaves. Curry leaves have a lot of health benefits as well as it gives a lot of flavor to your curry. Once the papaya is cooked, add the curd to it. As I said, here I have removed the butter from the curd. That's the reason it looks little diluted. If you have low fat curd at your place, so then you can directly add the curd. You don't have to dilute it. Once you add the curd, you have to wait only until you start getting small bubbles. Immediately when you start seeing bubbles, you have to add the coconut gravy to it. Because when it starts boiling too much, the curd may get split, so that doesn't look good or taste good in this curry. So once the coconut gravy is added, mix well and bring it to a boil. So pretty much your preparation is over once the curry gets boiled, and we can switch off the flame. And the final part which is left is to put tadka to this curry. For that I'm adding 2 spoons of coconut oil to it. Once it gets heated up, I'm adding 1 spoon of mustard. So since I'm using a very small vessel and oil is heated up, I'm just turning off the heat and then adding the red chilli and curry leaves to it. Then I'm adding it to the curry and it's ready to be served. Hope you enjoy my dish. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this. Thank you.